Hey, Ken Silvestri, Broadway Limited Imports. Today's video is featuring an articulated locomotive. And that locomotive is the Paragon 3 Rolling Thunder, Norfolk and Western Y6B. And this is the locomotive here. And notice that there's two engines. And they can both move independently of each other. There's 16 drivers, and look at all the side rods and the valve gear, and it's very cool to watch them work in concert. Then you add the smoke and the synchronized sound, and together it's a thing of beauty. It's the magic of model railroading. When I think of the Norfolk and Western Y6B, I think of the extraordinary pulling power. We've had customers contact us and tell us that they can pull over 100 cars. We even had one guy contact us and told us he pulled 160 hopper cars. That's like 70 feet worth of cars. That's just extraordinary. Now that's money. She could have pulled more, but we ran out of money. Now listen up, because this is fun. We're going to give away a brand new Paragon 3 Rolling Thunder, Norfolk and Western Y6B to the person that guesses how much money that locomotive pulled in this video. Now to enter, please go to the Broadway Facebook page, find the video, and under the video in comments, put in your guess. Good luck to everyone. Now here at Broadway, we're constantly trying to improve our product. We always want it to look better, to run better, to sound better, so it's more fun for you to show and operate our products. Now here's Bob Gruber to show you some things we have under development for our next articulated locomotive, the Big Boy.
And so every year in model railroading, companies like Broadway Limited try to make more and more better features, more fun, more prototypical, more realistic to operate. And our new Big Boy that we're in the process of producing right now incorporates a lot of these things. And a number of years back, we made a Big Boy, and it was a nice model for its day. But as time moves on, these things become obsolete and are replaced with the newer versions. And so I'm going to show you some of the features of the new Big Boy. One thing that we really like is a new magnetic tether system that we're using. And the tether, each end of it is made with little gold-plated pins, spring-loaded pins that hit a little tab. And there's very powerful magnets on either side. So when you want to plug it in, you basically just line it up and boom, it snaps together. When you go to disconnect it, you just kind of pull it apart, and it makes that process a lot easier. Really works well, and we're real happy with that. Another new feature of the Big Boy is it blows steam out through the whistle when you hit the whistle button. And the way we do that, I've got a little engineering sample of it here. It's actually a second smoke unit that's inside the Big Boy, and it's ported up through a hole just below the whistle, and the software is set up so when you blow the whistle, it's pre-warmed and it just blows out the smoke comes out through there. It looks like steam. Nice feature. That's a lot of fun. Another interesting new feature is we've always sold these models kind of full of coal. The Big Boy has a coal system that, as you operate it, the coal load actually goes down. And the way we achieve that, we've got the coal loaded onto a kind of a flexible membrane here. And let me pull this apart. You see inside there's a servo motor in there. And what happens is that as that servo motor is connected to the flexible coal membrane, and as you operate it, the software tells that servo motor to step down, step down, step down, and it's a pretty realistic look. Makes it look like the coal is actually being used, and then you hit a function button and it refills. So that's kind of fun. And then a lot of our customers should already be familiar with, by the time this comes out, our new Paragon 3 system with Rolling Thunder. And the Big Boy is a beautiful place to use that, because the real Big Boy is a giant locomotive, big, deep whistle, deep, throaty sounding chuffs, and the Rolling Thunder system transmits those sounds that are stored in the locomotive, transmits those to a big subwoofer under the table, and it really makes it sound like a Big Boy. So I apologize to people who've already got a Big Boy. A lot of these features, I think, are going to make you want to get another one, but that's what we do.
Okay, the last order of business is to name the winner of the Suggest to James Kelly what product he should order. And the winner of the Rolling Thunder system is Chuck Farlow. And Chuck, we will contact you through email. Thank you everyone that participated. Well, thanks again. Until next time, happy railroading.